Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to highlight your texts that you have used within your edits on Inshot. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Inshot application on your device and you can create a new project or open up any of your old ones from your draft. Now within your timeline, you can tap on the plus icon to add various different medias to begin editing right away. Now in case you wish to add a highlight within your text layer, then first of all tap on text in order to enter the edit text menu. You can then tap on the plus text option, or you may also generate auto captions. And once you have added your text, if you wish to highlight this, then after tapping on it, go ahead and tap on edit. From the edit menu, just choose the color wheel. Now you will see various different highlight options at the bottom section. You can choose from the options that are available, and you may also change your text color from the color section at the top. You also have various different parameters that you can change, such as text borders, adding shadows to your text, some glow effects, as well as changing its opacity or adding a label. Once you are done highlighting your text with your desired effect, you can tap on the tick mark to apply your changes. And now your text will be highlighted with your chosen design right away. You may also add various different animations to use within your text. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to highlight your texts within the Inshot application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.